Okay, so first of all, welcome to this mock interview and quickly just introduce yourself.
First of all, thank you for taking the mock interview, sir, to introduce myself. My name is Dilli Chindapenta. I am basically from Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh. Present staying in Bangalore, Whitefield. Coming to my educational background, I did my graduation BTech in Sitams College in Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh. Coming to my experience, I have total 2.8 years of experience in IT and 2 years in study desk role. And um, my roles and responsibilities. Actually, we're handling two projects. One is food project, another one is e-commerce. Coming to food project, where we're receiving the calls, chat, emails directly from based upon their request resolution, and we do have multiple SLS handling like P1, P2, P3, and P4, and we're using ITSM tool using ServiceNow. Coming to e-commerce project using Jira tool, like mostly we are receiving somewhat like Outlook issues, creation of the shared mailbox, and giving the access end user onboarding and offboarding and all things creation of the OLA. Yeah, that's all about me, sir.
Okay, that's good. Good. Nice introduction. Okay, so
Yeah.
you are already working, correct, right now?
Yeah, currently I'm serving notice period.
Okay, okay. Did you get any job?
No, sir. Mm,
Okay, so you just resign and
just attend
searching for
interviews.
your.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, I
okay.
was looking for new challenges and opportunities to grow my career. So that's why.
Okay, okay. Yeah, but I can totally understand that. Okay. But no issue. So, can we just start some question round? So, I just want to know your knowledge
Yeah.
in technical in service desk. As you said, you already worked as a service desk agent, and you have experience in Outlook questions like Outlook issues. So,
Yes, I have.
I'll ask some Outlook
Yes,
question
I have.
also. Okay. Okay, the first question is, could you please just tell me what is the difference between Outlook and Gmail?
Mm, Outlook and Gmail. Gmail is simpler and more integrated with Google services, and Outlook offers more robust features for business use, especially for the Microsoft product. And Outlook is personal information manager. It is developed by Microsoft. It also includes functions for managing calendars, tasks, contacts, and notes. And Outlook is widely used in both personal and professional environments.
Okay, okay, great. Thank you for the answer. Okay, now could you please just tell me one thing? Suppose I'm opening Outlook application, okay, in my laptop, and the application is crashing. Okay, I'm unable to open that. So in that situation, what you will do, and what is your suggestion?
You mean like unable to access Outlook,
Unable to
some Outlook
open the
crashed.
Outlook application. Unable to open the Outlook application. Application is crashing.
Look, I will follow some troubleshooting steps, like ensure the device is connected to the internet. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue, and some reboot the computer to clear any temporary issues, like might be any affecting Outlook. First, I would verify that username and password are correct, like and confirm if the Outlook server is down or undergoing maintenance, and ensure the Outlook is up to date, like update Outlook. These are the troubleshooting steps need to follow. It.
Okay. May I use a safe mode in this situation? May I open the Outlook in safe mode?
Yes, we can open in safe mode. Yes.
That's the main thing that you missed.
Yeah.
Okay, no issue. No issue.
Okay.
That's a mock interview. So you also need to learn from the answers. Okay. So after this interview, you need to just go and watch the same video, okay, on my YouTube channel. Then you will able to understand, okay, what was your answer and how you can improve your answer. Okay, no issue with that. We just need to,
Okay.
communicate and we need to just discuss about the question answer. Okay, so the next question, again, it is from Outlook. Okay, so suppose if I am using Outlook application, okay, like I am able to open Outlook in browser, okay, but unable to open the application. Listen my question clearly. I'm able to open Outlook application, like Outlook in browser like any browser, okay, but unable to open Outlook application. Application is not opening. Again, the same question, like similar to the previous question. So could you please just tell me how we can solve it?
First, I would verify the email server like Exchange, Office 365, etc. is online. Ensure that I will ensure that email account settings like server name, port, uh, encryption method are correct. Use Outlook test account settings feature to verify settings, and I will check firewall, like ensure that the firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Outlook, and I will just repair Outlook, like I will go to control panel and make go to mail and show profiles and select profile and repair. Mm,
That's
Mainly, I will check server status and account settings.
that's great. So I can say correct
Yeah.
answer is we can repair the Outlook application. So after repairing
Yes,
the
repair the
Outlook
Outlook. Yeah.
application, the issue will get resolved. So that's great. You
Yes.
also gave the correct answer. Okay. Now, I'm asking the question from printer. Do you know, like, do you have any experience in printer troubleshooting?
Yes, I have.
Okay, great, great. So I'm asking some question regarding printer issues. So my first question from that is, suppose like my printer is okay, okay. Uh, my printer has power, okay. I can see my printer power is okay, okay. But if I'm sending anything to print, it's showing it's printing, but I'm not getting any print from the printer. So in that situation, what we have to do?
First, I would verify the all cables like are securely connected, like power cable, USB cable. If using a wireless printer, check the Wi-Fi connection,
No, it's not
or
the,
make
sorry,
sure the printer is
sorry, it's not the wireless printer, it's the normal printer, offline printer, simple printer.
okay. Just restart the computer to clear any temporary issues and install the updated drivers and restart the computer. Ensure that the printer is connected to the same network as the computer. Mm, like make sure the printer is installed on the computer. Mm,
May I need to restart the printer?
yes, the computer to clear any temporary issues
Not
and restart
computer,
the printer.
printer. May I need to
Printer,
restart the
yes.
printer?
Make sure the printer is installed on the computer. Yes, so we can restart the computer, I think.
No, no, you are saying computer, not computer. May I need to restart the printer.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Need to restart the printer? Okay. Okay, great. Hmm. So after restarting the printer, maybe this issue get resolved. Okay. So the next question is again from the printer issue. Okay. Uh, suppose how we can fix the paper jam issue in printer.
Mm, I think we can connect in like same network as the printer and update
No,
drivers.
no, no. That's not the software issue. That's the hardware issue. We can like
Okay.
yeah, remove the tray, and then we need to check that things, and then So you need to prepare the answer for that, okay? Yeah, if I'll tell you the answer here, then video will get longer. So you need to prepare for that, and I am going to upload a video in next 1 to 2 days for printer troubleshooting steps only. Okay, so you can go for that also. You need to check.
Okay.
Yeah. So you need to answer that, okay? If you will give the interview now, and if interviewer will ask the question, you need to answer practically. Okay. So this is a first of
Okay.
all, you need to understand, is this a hardware issue or is this a software issue? This is the main understanding thing.
Uh,
So in this time, this is a hardware issue. Okay. Okay. Again, one more question. Okay. Suppose if I'm printing something from my printer, again, it's an offline printer, not online, not a Wi-Fi printer, simple Canon printer, okay, offline printer. And suppose if I'm printing anything, then it is not printing clearly. It's printer prints faded printout. Got it? You got my question? So I'm not getting the
okay.
correct, yeah. So in
Proper
that,
matter, I think. Yeah.
correct, it's printing faded. Okay. So image is not clear. So in that situation, what you will do?
Mm, First, I will check the like printer cables, like printer something. I don't know like that. I'm not sure about that. So
Okay. Okay. Wait. So again, this is also a hardware issue. We don't have to do
oh,
anything with cable because it is printing, man. Like it's print. I'm able to print. It is printing, but the printer
yes,
is
yes.
printing a faded printout. Okay. So the cable is correct. Printer's power, printer's cable is connected. I'm able to operate the printer. I'm able to print. The issue is hardware, in hardware.
Hardware
So,
issues. Yeah. Yeah.
first in this
Yeah.
situation, first just we need to remove the cartridge. Okay, that's a simple, that's a basic, troubleshooting. Remove the cartridge and just shake it, and then insert the cartridge and try to print. It will definitely print. And in
Uh,
some situation, we need to change the cartridge also. Got
yeah.
it? That's
Actually,
the
this type of
simple
issues I have
question.
never worked in. Yeah. Yeah.
So that's the simple troubleshooting step. Like that's the simple issues that you will get. Okay, and maybe interviewer will ask from you, so you need to know about that also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, no issue. So do you know about service now?
Yes, I have
Service now
knowledge about.
so have you worked on service now ticketing tool?
Yes, I worked in.
Okay. Okay. Okay, that's great because maybe you will get some question regarding that also, that service now ticketing tool. Okay, so okay, I'll ask some practical question again. Suppose
Okay.
uh, I'm unable to turn on my computer. Okay, I'm saying computer, not the laptop. Okay, I'm unable to turn on my computer. So uh, in that situation, what we have to do? What is the troubleshooting step to fix this issue?
First, I will ask the user if the power cable properly plugged in the PC. And with if the power button being pressed firmly, like sometimes it might need a slightly longer press. And should the power button is not stuck or damaged, and I will ask the user, is the monitor turned on? Can you see any indicator lights on the monitor? And I will, do you see any lights on the PC or hear any sounds? If light sounds are present, the issue might be with the display or other hardwares. So if no lights and sounds, or the PC might not be receiving power. And I will ask the user, can you try plugging the PC into different port outlets? Like if the power button being stuck, sometimes it might be a slightly some longer press.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the steps we need to follow. That.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Great. Okay. So one more practical question. Okay. So suppose I'm unable to connect Wi-Fi in my laptop. Okay. Again, I'm unable to connect a Wi-Fi in my laptop. In this situation, what I have to do and what is the troubleshooting steps for that?
Yeah, first I will check the Wi-Fi status and ensure the Wi-Fi is turned on the user device.
Mhm.
Next, I will check signal strength. Mainly, the verify that the signal strength is advocate. And I will check physical connections. Or ensure the router properly connected. And next, I will check if the device is valid IP address. If not, try releasing and renewing the IP address, and ensure DNS settings are correct. Consider using public DNS servers or Google DNS or Cloudways. And I will ask the user to restart the device, and I will instruct the user to forget the network and reconnect. Next, I will ensure the network adapter drivers are up to date. Yeah, these are the
Okay.
steps
Okay,
need to
great.
follow.
Okay, great, great, great. Okay, so do you know about inbound or outbound in
Yeah, inbound and
services?
outbound calls, right?
Yeah, yeah, inbound and outbound call. Could you please just explain it for me?
Yeah, inbound calls are when users call the service desk for help with issues support requests. The service desk team receives these calls and assists with the troubleshooting, resolving problems, or providing information. These are the inbound calls. And coming to outbound calls, when the service desk team proactively contact users, this could be or follow up on previous issues,
Mhm.
updates on ongoing support tickets, or informing users about maintenance also important updates. These are the outbound calls.
Great, great. Right answer. Okay. Okay. Okay, great. Could you please just tell me the difference between private and public network?
Private network, this I'm not sure about networking concepts. I never worked in networking
But
this I have knowledge about that, but
yeah, yeah, but this is the basic question, man. Like you need to
yeah, it is.
prepare for
Yeah,
that.
it is it's a collection of interconnected devices and computers that can communicate. I can share resources. It's a group of devices.
No, no, that's
That is
not
called
the
private network.
good answer. A correct answer. Okay, so no issue in that. I made a video for 30 question. Okay, in two parts, 30 interview technical question part one and 30 interview technical question in part two. So you can go with that, okay? And I mentioned that question also, public and private network. So just go through
Okay.
with that because most of the interviewer will ask this question. If you will give
Okay.
the yeah technical interview na, they will definitely ask this question because they will ask question from the network, they will ask question from the printer, they will ask question from the outlook, they will ask question like that. So you need to prepare for that also. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
now could you please just tell me the current updated operating system in market?
Windows 11.
Windows 11. Okay,
Yeah.
great. Okay. So now one more question. Could you please just tell me about the Active Directory in service? What is the use of Active Directory?
Yeah. First of all, Active Directory is the administrative level of tool where it stored the employee data. This includes creating and resetting the passwords
Mhm.
and handling permissions, uh, handling group policies, and managing and creating user accounts like that. Mainly use it for um to store the employee data. That is called Active Directory.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great. Thank you. Thank you for that. Now, could you please just tell me top 10 Microsoft application name? Top 10 Microsoft application name.
Outlook, Office, and Power BI, Microsoft Access, Azure, mm, And
OneNote,
yeah,
OneDrive.
yeah. Yes, Microsoft OneDrive and OneNote.
So, brother,
Okay,
you need to know at least 10 Microsoft application, because in service desk they use most of the Microsoft application. Okay, so you should know at least 10 Microsoft application name. I know that you know the application name, but in this situation, yeah, like you need to answer Microsoft 10 Microsoft application name at least. Okay, so you need to go for that also. I uploaded that also, that question also in my video, 30 question video. Okay. First, could you
okay.
please tell me about what is LAN?
It is a local area network.
Mhm. That's the definition. So I need to know what is LAN. Why we use LAN cable?
Okay. It is a collection of devices connected together in one physical location. That's called LAN.
No, so we can connect
Right,
through Wi-Fi also, multiple device through Wi-Fi also. Yeah, that's not the correct answer.
okay,
If you will, answer like that, na, like interviewer will definitely say anything. So that's not the correct answer. Okay, so you need to prepare for that. Okay. Yeah, again, the LAN is a local area network. That's totally correct. But we use LAN cable to share resources. Like if you will go and see my website, I already like I defined that question in in very certain way. I shared the benefits also, benefits types, come components also in LAN. Why we use LAN cable? So basically, we use that for share the data, resources, and internet access. LAN typically use Ethernet. So these are the definition you need to provide. So just go and prepare for that also. Okay, your answer was right, but only 20%. Okay, you need to prepare more for that.
okay.
Okay, okay.
Just I told the exact definition, like
Correct, correct.
simple. What is
Yeah,
LAN?
so
Okay.
that's the
Yeah.
definition. But they don't need definition. They don't need, they need the
Okay. Okay.
uses. Yeah, what is the use of that? Because we all know
Okay.
definition, LAN, WAN, MAN, we all knows that. So
Yeah. Okay.
they need to know what is the use of that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, what is MS Office 365? Do you know about Office 365?
Yes, I know.
Could you please just tell me?
MS 365. It's a cloud-based suite for productivity tools and services provided by the Microsoft. Like this includes user management and configuration, like user account creation and license assignment, or email configuration and troubleshooting.
Uh, may I know what is a VPN? Could you please tell me about that?
Virtual private network. Uh,
That's the definition.
okay.
So
It's a
this is the
communication
issue.
between user.
Uh-huh. No, no, that's not the answer. That frankly say that's not the answer. Uh, if you don't know, you don't know. No need to like answer a wrong
Yeah, yeah.
way. Okay,
To
you don't know.
create a secure connection. It's
That's
mainly
the
used for security, remote
that's the
access, and
answer.
privacy.
Correct, correct.
Yeah. Okay.
uh, that and enhance your online privacy security. Okay, again I
Yes.
uploaded the
Remote
question,
access.
yeah, the question in detail way, because you should know the VPN, because you know we all
Yeah.
use
Sure.
VPN in corporate. If you will join any HCL and any MNC company, they all use VPN to connect, you know to the US server, and also we all use VPN. So you should know about that. Okay. No
Just to
issue.
create a secure connection to another network over the internet.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
but you need to know more. Like they can that's also the correct answer, but you need to know more about VPN. Okay, why secure connection? Do we have any another thing for that? So like that, you need to know more about that. Okay. So could you please just tell me about the BitLocker? Do you know about the BitLocker? What is a BitLocker?
Uh, like encrypts BitLocker. I mean, it's a BitLocker recover key and some and stating, right?
Okay. So basically, BitLocker is a full volume encryption feature included with Microsoft Windows version. Okay. And starting with the, Windows Vista from Vista time. So that's also very important question. And also, do you know difference between 32-bit and 64-bit?
32-bit, like it's a 32 GB RAM and 64-bit to 56 GB RAM.
No, 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 no. That's the different one. So okay, so the difference
Okay.
between 32-bit and 64-bit is all about the processing power. Computer with 32-bit processors are older, slower, and less secure. But while a 64-bit processor
Okay.
is newer, faster, and more secure. So you can answer like that because that's the correct answer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now the last question from my side. Do you know how to ping any IP? What is the ping command?
Sorry.
Ping.
Pin
What is the
command.
ping command? Yeah.
Pin command. Sorry, sir. I'm not sure about that. Like pin commands.
You need to check that, okay? Because I'm not going to tell you because this is the very basic question. If you want to ping any network, uh, to check that network, that computer or laptop is connected with the network or not, then you should know the ping about the ping command. That's the very simple thing. So you need to check, and you need to check practically, not theoretically. Just go into your laptop or computer, first go and search the answer, and you you need to practically check that. This is a very, very simple answer and very simple command. Okay, so just go
Okay.
and check that. Okay, that's the very important because you already said that you did not work on network issues, but these are the basic question that you need to know. If you did not work on that, then you need to work on that right now. Like you need to prepare for that part. Got it? For the next interview, for the next job, maybe they will ask
Okay.
that question. Got it? Okay, so I think that's enough for today. Or thank you for joining that. If you have any question in your mind, you can ask me. I think we have three
So
minutes remaining.
mainly, which type of issues are handling in level one team? Like not only Outlook, VPN, like
So
that.
suppose,
Which type of
okay,
questions are handling?
okay, I'll tell you that. So level one team need to handle every issues. Okay, every issues. Suppose it's also depend on the process, or on the in which process you are. Suppose I am in HCL and I am in FedEx process. FedEx is a company which is supported by HCL, and I am in that process. Okay, that process.
Okay.
So in that, if like FedEx team member will get any issues regarding the application, regarding the computer, regarding the printer, any issues, they will call or they will text to level one agent. Okay, and then
Okay.
I need to resolve that. You will get training for everything. You will get training for everything. That you need to resolve that. If you will not able to resolve, then you need to document everything, the communication between you and the team member. Okay, what you have done, what you have troubleshooted already, you need to perform, like mention, describe the troubleshooting step which you already done. Okay, but unable to fix the issue. If you will document that clearly and then escalate that issue to the level 2 team, level 2 team never send the ticket back to you. But if you will just,
Okay.
if you are not able to resolve that, then you just escalate that to level 2 team. Then level 2 team will send you that ticket
Okay.
back, because level 2 team will not going to talk that team member. They will only understand your documentation part. So you need to document the ticket very correctly. What you have
Okay.
done, like from the beginning, you have done this, you have done this, slash, no success. I
Yeah.
restarted the computer, no success. I asked to unplug the power cable, TM did, but no success. You need to, document like that. If you will document like that, na, level 2 team member never send you that ticket back. And in the if you will follow this step, na, step by step troubleshooting, then maybe 90% you will fix the issue, because you will have the documentation for every issue. You need to find out the documents and you need to resolve. You need to just follow the process.
Okay. And
Okay,
yeah.
great. So all the best for your future interview.